Okay, so this is the community. Very cute community. Okay, here we are at 215 Addison. Cute community. We're gonna go into 219 Addison also, so you can see, oh, you got a sheriff that lives on the street. Very kind of quiet. And then this house has fencing on this side with a gate. Nice little lawn. Hi. And, ooh, yeah, it's got a fence on this side too. And trees to the back. Okay. Now the other one had good upkeep on the outside, but the inside was poor. Okay, as we walk in, you can see laminate flooring, 2-panel doors. You get this hall here, gray wall over here. When you walk in to your right, we immediately have 2 bedrooms, a little bit larger, but still small. Two-panel door, closet. Okay. And then you go, here's the bathroom. Now again, similar to the other one, this is just a linoleum floor, not planked. Granite counter, single sink, shower tub. Condition of the home is much better. Carpet looks passable with carpet cleaning. There's a few minor things on the wall. This needs a little paint on this. I'd probably repaint this room. They should have patched those holes. Okay, so you come in and you have this hall with a closet. Used as a coat closet. Digital panel for security and digital panel for air. And then you have this, like, kind of this middle area here where, cat door, you can go into the garage. Let me see if I can find a light here. Oh, good sized garage. So you can fit 2 cars with a little bit of a workbench right here. Okay. And then you have the laundry. I guess this washer and dryer stay. Whirlpool. Decent space. I mean, you can also put some shelves in here. And then you have another closet here next to the laundry and a bedroom here. So this room is probably a 9x9, 10x10 with the closet. Okay. And then now we go into the main portion. Let's grab some lights in here. All right, you have granite counters, shaker cabinets, a better fridge, washer and dryer, and a bigger pantry. Gosh, there's a lot of closets in here. Very nice. Okay, this could use a cabinet up here, I will say. Now, again, the people did move out. There are some patchings on the wall and paint. I would want a paint credit. There's an interesting shelf over there. They probably had their TV over there and couch over here. You may want to flip that and put a couch over there and a TV over here. Okay, so then I do think that this house, it shows better. It has less, like on the baseboards, paint needed, but the walls definitely need some touch up and paint. And then we go into the master. Oh, they liked these little shelves, didn't they? So the master is decent size. I would say it's probably 12 across by 13. So, and then what's nice is you have, you see greenery out the back. And then we go into the master. Dual sinks, a step-in shower, and then you have the master closet here, pretty big master closet, and another closet. Wow, lots of closets in here. And then you have a toilet. So, nice 2-panel country doors. It's linoleum in here, not LVP, but it's in good condition. Okay, and then back to the master. And we're heading out to here, into the living room. Kind of see right through. This is nice because it's a little abbreviated patio. It's got power out here, and it's fully screened in, which is nice. And then here's the backyard. So you will need to run maybe $600 worth of fence, $700 worth of fence. But wow, you know, if you left a gate, you got this. It's not your property, but it is open back here. Okay, 2015 Addison.